this training is about how to create picture inventory. So to do this, you should go first to the adjustment menu and choose channel mixer. So in this window, put the output channel to the blue and insert green 200 and blue -100. So take the black brush, and remove the face to look natural and look normal. So go to the adjustment menu and choose hue saturation. So choose blues and insert lightness or to 70 and reduce the saturation to -10, and choose reds and reduce the saturation to -20. We do this because the red color look natural. After that, we create a new layer, and with this tool we create a frame and fill it with black bucket. So go to the filter menu and add noise. So amount should be 100 and Gaussian and monochromatic. Okay, and go to the filter and blur, Gaussian blur. So insert radius 5 in this photo. Click OK and go to the image, adjustment and threshold. So threshold should be look normal. So put 93 and you can see a snowball. Click OK. So put the mode on the screen and get copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J and press Ctrl T to resize to all frame of photo. So and again sorry, and resize it to amount you want. Click OK. So get copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J and Ctrl T to resize it, and click OK. So after that, you should create a new mask for this layer by pressing this shape and go to the filter, blur and Gaussian blur. So go to the filter and blur, motion blur for this layer, and you can adjust the angle and distance. I think it is good. So go to this layer and create new mask and go to the filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Put the radius in 7. Okay, and with a black brush remove the face to look natural. And this layer, create a new mask and go to the filter, blur and Gaussian blur. So put 3 for this photo in this layer and click OK. So with this black brush, remove the face. So hope to enjoy it. Good luck. Thanks for watching.